Hi there, welcome to my channel. Hope you're having a good day today. Today I have some, what I'm calling them, Halloween Pokey tools. And the reason I'm calling them Halloween Pokey tools was because I ended up having a couple skeleton beads that I got at a sale. They had a big community sale here at the fairgrounds, and a lady was selling beads, and I got a couple, like 6-7 beads from her. And one of them was this skeleton bead. I'll show you here in a second. And so I thought, well, I'll make some Halloween Pokey tools. And all of the rest of the beads, besides those few beads, all the rest of them came from Temu. The needles came from Amazon. And so I'm going to call this a Temu project too, because really it's predominantly Temu stuff. So this side here is all 6.5-inch ones. And this side here is 6-inch ones, a little bit smaller. And I use art glitter glue, is the only one that I've been using to glue them on, and it's been working. And I glued my one that I use all the time. I glued it like 1.5 years ago, and I use it constantly, and it's staying, so that's working. And another tip, whenever I show my art glitter glue, I just want to tell you, if you guys lay it down like this, it will not get clogged. So use it, stick your pin in, lay it down, and then the next time you want to use it, it's ready to go. So, little tip that I try to give, because it's like made my life so much easier. So, the first one, and this is the bead that I got from the sale, and I have noticed that on Temu they have some that look like they might be the same as that, so you could maybe find that bead on there too. So I made a little heart, and I thought it turned out real pretty. And then the next two beads that I got at the sale are really pretty beads, and I have not been able to find, I don't have all these glued, just a couple of them. I'm working on it, so some of these are still moving around. But back to the bead. I wish I could find these beads. These beads are so pretty. This is like a moon and some stars. It's probably hard to see, and it's got some sparkle in it. And then this one is a black one like that. Maybe you can see the moon. So it's kind of a cosmic type bead. It's really pretty. So I made one like that. Real lots of sparkle in there. And then this is the black one. And I don't know, I think that's kind of Halloween-y. It's kind of witchy, grimoire. And then another one of the skeleton beads, just a little bit different than the other one. So these eventually will be in my shop, if you're interested in them at all. It's really addicting. I love it. I love how they turn out. I love just seeing a whole bunch of them too when they're done, just sitting there like this. Pretty black heart with rhinestones in the middle. And then I guess they call this a butterfly, but I think it looks like a bow. And I just thought black and silver could be kind of, you know, Halloween-y. And then on the 6-inch ones, I had these black roses. So I made that one. I don't think this one is, no, that one's not glued yet. That one. And then I had some orangey kind of beads, so I put one together. That is an orange color, even though it might look more bronzy on the video. And that does have some orange in that bead. So I thought that would be kind of fall-y or Halloween-y. And then this one is glued, another rose. So that's my Halloween Pokey tool, supposedly. They do make some cute big ones for pens, some silicone ones, but you guys know I like sparkle. So the rhinestones gotta be there, and the crackle beads sparkling's gotta be there. So anyways, I really hope you guys are having a great day, maybe a great crafting day, and thank you so much for stopping by.